Hey guys, welcome to Medifaction. Today we will learn about some general histology slides based on anatomy. Skeletal muscle. So this is how a skeletal muscle looks like under a microscope. In order to identify a skeletal muscle, there are certain points for identification. Number 1. Presence of striations. And also, the nuclei of the myocytes will be placed peripherally in case of skeletal muscle. Smooth muscle. Unlike skeletal muscle, the myocytes of smooth muscles will be spindle-shaped and also the nucleus are centrally placed. Cardiac muscle. In cardiac muscle, the myocytes are branched and anastomosed repeatedly. Here you can see the branching of cardiac muscle. And there will be centrally placed nucleus in case of cardiac muscle. And also there will be presence of intercalated discs in case of cardiac muscle. Intercalated discs are unique structural formations found between the myocardial cells of the heart. They play vital roles in bonding cardiac muscle cells together and in transmitting signals between the cells. Hyaline cartilage. The hyaline cartilage is found in trachea, larynx and bronchi, also in limb bones. It is the weakest among the four types of cartilage. In order to identify a hyaline cartilage, one must observe the presence of perichondrium. And also, in case of hyaline cartilage, the chondrocytes will be arranged in groups of cells as cell nests, like this. White fibrous cartilage. The points for identification of white fibrous cartilage are absence of perichondrium and also chondrocytes, fibroblasts and collagen fibers are seen. Elastic cartilage. In case of elastic cartilage, there will be presence of perichondrium and also the chondrocytes are present in lacunae. The matrix contains a large amount of elastic fibers as well. The external ear is an example of elastic cartilage. Combac bone. Longitudinal section. The points for identification of combac bone are the presence of osteons, which appears in columns. Also, presence of Volkmann's canal, which connects Harvesian canals with periosteum, can also be observed. Combac bone transverse section. Points for identification. Here, the Harvesian canals are seen and also circumferential lamellae are also seen. Loose areolar tissue. The areolar tissue is found beneath the epidermis layer and is also underneath epithelial tissue of all the body systems that have external openings. It makes the skin elastic and helps it to withstand pulling pain. To identify loose areolar tissue, we must observe loosely arranged network of collagen fibers. And also fibroblasts are seen. Adipose tissue. In adipose tissue, adipocytes are seen. So adipose tissue is a specialized connective tissue consisting of lipid-rich cells called as adipocytes. The main function of adipose tissue is to store energy in the form of lipids, that is fats. In case of adipose tissue, the nucleus is seen at the periphery. Thick skin. To identify thick skin, there will be presence of stratified squamous, keratinized epithelium. And also there will be absence of hair follicles and there will be presence of thick keratin layer. Thin skin. Presence of stratified squamous non-keratinized epithelium is an identification point for thin skin, and you can also observe presence of hair follicles. Peripheral nerve, longitudinal section. Points of identification are cut sections of axons can be seen. Also, myelin sheath can be observed. Nodes of Ranvier are also seen. Peripheral nerve transverse section. Points for identification are cut section of nerve fiber bundles are seen, and also epineurum is observed. Elastic artery. In elastic artery, we can identify tunica intima, tunica media, and tunica adventitia, which are layers. In artery, the tunica media layer is large and it contains elastic fibers since it's an elastic artery. Muscular artery. In muscular artery also, we will be able to appreciate presence of tunica intima, tunica media, and tunica adventitia. And tunica media contains predominantly smooth muscle fibers. Large vein. Points for identification. There will be presence of tunica media, tunica intima, and tunica adventitia layer, and since it's a vein, there will be tunica adventitia taking place with the thickest layer, and the tunica adventitia is made of smooth muscle fibers. Hope you have understood the video. Like, subscribe, and press the bell button for more videos. Thank you. Thanks for watching.